visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hi everyone! Welcome po sa inyong almost personal reading. So let's check kung anong mga nangyayari sa ating paligid, no? I want you to know that this is a general reading, so you may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lamang, no? Take what's only yours. I also want you to know that this is a timeless reading. So kung kailan niyo po ito mapanood, the message is meant to find you. So let's check kung ano nangyayari with the Page of Pentacles. Sabihin natin you wanted or someone wanted to start a specific situation. Hopefully hindi ito away ha. Maganda naman. It felt like conversations, it felt like fixations, apologies, pwede, reconciliation, yeah, I mentioned that. Sabihin natin someone is probably also observing the other person. You can switch the energies. The reason why I said someone, pwede rin kasing ikaw ito, pwedeng ito yung person mo. What I'm reading is the dynamic, no? Or pwede rin naman ito yung someone is keeping tabs, no? On each other's profile or information. But the thing here is, the reason why they're doing that is gusto nilang medyo mapadali, no? Itong takbo, yung process ng either meeting, let's say merong away, no? Gusto nilang mapadali yung yung pagbabate, no? Naiilang ako dito sa linya. It's actually may araw, no? Kaya nandito yung shades. Meron naman tayong blinds, kaso syempre may hangin. So, hindi nag-fit in. Anyway, huwag nyo na lang pansinin. Hindi natin mapipigilan yung araw. So, medyo lalayo na lang ako kasi pag, ayan no, merong... Anyway, let's go back to the reading. We're just distracted dyan sa araw tuloy. With the Two of Cups. So, ibig sabihin nito, nag-spend na tayo ng emotion, no? Meron ng love, somehow meron talagang nararamdaman. And I hope that this is being felt, no, by the both of you. Kasi nagbe-build up na yung emotion, na there's already a feelings, dreams, aspirations, wanting to do in life in the future, no? So, madaming bagay yung tumatakbo din sa isip natin. Magaganda itong mga plans, no? Na pwede nating sabihin na tumatakbo sa isip natin. Why is it with the Four of Pentacles coming from the past? So, the Chariot and the King of Pentacles, lumalapit ito sa inyo before. So, which means na parang reserved kayo at first? So, ibig sabihin, siya na nag-initiate. But then again, medyo apprehensive ka kasi masyado siyang giving, all out, masyadong open. With the Chariot, or baka probably, no, medyo iba yung either lahi niya, iba din yung siguro yung ibang probinsya siya, no? Merong mga province na, alam mo yon yung pinag-aaway or, in an urban legend sort of, no? Ano ba yung mga ganon? I don't know. Siguro, I don't know kung totoo ba to, no? I feel like Ilocanos, no? Meron yatang mga, I don't know, yung mga ganon. Or Bisaya and Bicolanos, yung mga ganyan. I don't know kung totoo yung mga ganon ha. Wala naman ako naririnig. Yung mga old urban legend na ganyan. So, merong mga connotations, no? Or pwede rin itong tribe, no? Um, Pwede rin naman itong clans, no? Family, pwede rin, no? Yung pamilya mo kasi ganyan. Pamilya mo kumakain ng kalapate, yung mga ganyan, no? Yung so medyo reserved ka kasi meron merong assumptions, no? Builded by the old folks. Ayan, yung nakita natin. Builded by the tribes, builded by the social norms. Ayun yung pwede natin yung sabihin, social norms. With the chariot, pwede rin kasing galing sa malayong lugar, hindi tayo masyadong familiar sa kanya, or baka yun nga, may connotation, di ba? Pag sinabing Kapampangan, masarap magluto, baka ayaw mo sa masarap magluto, no? Yung ganyan. Baka Ilonggo, ayaw mo sa mga sweet, ayan. Ewan ko ba. Basta yung mga ganon, no? Meron dito mga part na meron tayong pre-assumptions. So, kaya medyo may walls tayo. So, with the pero ina-entertain naman natin. Maganda naman doon is hindi tayo, kumbaga, kahit meron tayong mga kaunting mga naririnig, no? Somewhat, guarded lang tayo, pero hindi naman tayo bastos. We're not rude. We're still entertaining. Siguro meron tayong yun nga, may walls tayo, meron tayong limitations. But then again, nagbibitaw tayo ng konting somewhat, no, sinasagot natin yung kanilang mga messages, ang mga tanong nila, kinakausap natin, binibigyan din natin ng pansin. At first, hindi ganun ka lala, no? Hindi ganun ka-giving. So, meron tayong reservations. With the Ace of Pentacles, so nasa isip mo, either bigyan ko na kaya ito, I mean, should I open myself up to this person kasi wala naman ako nakikita mali, no? Siguro, mali lang talaga yung paniniwala ng iba. Why not give this person a chance, no? Or probably, if not the tribe, if not the location, no, it could be the taboo. It could be the religion per se, di ba? Ayoko sa magalang, no? INC yan eh. Ayoko sa magalang. Ganyan. I'm not INC. Pero saludo ako sa mga INC when it comes to the galang part, no? What's my religion? May nagtatanong. What's my religion? My religion is a little complicated. Anyway, not me. Let's go back to the reading with the Ace of Pentacles. Opening yourself up to this person. Why not give it a try? Yun yung yun yung gusto mo yatang gawin, no? Bakit hindi ko subukan? If in case mag-work, 'di ba? Sayang naman. Kung hindi, edi hindi, 'di ba? At least I know my reason. Ayan. So my religion, I'm more into the old Filipino, not the colonized Filipino, no? Ayan, let's go back The Eight of Wands. So here's the thing. Having a communication, so parang nag-grow yung communication niyo eh, no? Pwedeng the person might be in a different place right now, pero still in contact. You have a communication with this person. So ang maganda dito, parang patuloy yung relationship, may emotion, nagbi-build up na nga like what I mentioned. Um so ito ba yung sinasabi nating relationship na sobrang nami-miss ng isa't isa, meron ng kumbaga the eyes are wide open that even though with someone else's if we are different from each other, um I can still love the person. I can find a reason why I cannot love the person, no? With the temperance, parang sinasabi ni universe, sige, give it a try. Walang masama when it comes to love kasi. In fact, bakit ba tayo napunta sa religion? In fact, every religion, no, stating that God, Allah, Buddha is love, 'di ba? Whatever, Yahweh is love, Jehovah, kung ano pa man 'yan. Ang hirap magbanggit eh, 'di ba, ng mga gods and goddesses. So ayan, love pa rin naman siya. Sige na nga, I will try. So with the Ace of Cups, I think someone here is crossing their fingers na kahit merong mga indifferences, magkaroon ng magandang connection, proving other people that love exists even in both worlds, no? Pwede rin itong LGBTQIA+ relationship. Nakikita natin kasi na siguro kung tayo yung LGBTQIA, no, lumalapit itong si person, medyo traumatic na yung experience natin before, but then again, parang inuudyokan tayo ng universe na sige na, why not give it a try? Wala namang mawawala. So, or kung lalaki siya, no, tapos ikaw si LGBTQIA, lumalapit ka, and then sinasabi nung, at first, syempre, no, merong mga social norms, pasok din dito yung social norms, na, lalo na kung old pa to, no, not accepted, blah, 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 yada, yada. Well, iba na ngayon. So, parang, sige na nga, why not give it a try? Kasi malapit din naman siya sa loob ko, no? With the Three of Wands, the foreseeable outcome is the Three of Wands, clarified with the Ace of Wands, and the Nine of Pentacles. It felt like matagal yung observation. Matagal ang observation process nitong relationship na ito, nitong connection na ito. Mararamdaman lang ito through constant emotion, constant expression of love, and that includes the Ace of Wands, which is yung constant na making love. No? We're not talking about just having sex, but making love. So there will be banters of energy, there will be a celebration. It kind of like a new year, no? Hindi lang ito basta putukan, no? It's a new year, it's a celebration, universal wise. It's something very spiritual, connected into this reading. Probably that's the reason why we keep on tapping other religion wise, on the religion aspect. But digging into this deeper, I'm seeing more spiritual connection than the both of you. It just so happened that you were born, no, in different world, no, in different, kind of like, not to the extremist, um not to the polarist. Polarist, is there a word for yung polarity, no? Um, pero I think that this is one of the um relationship that we can say na an exemption to the rule, no? We can also say that this is a relationship na pwede nating gawing example, no, for as a living proof that love exists even with differences. Ayan. So this is your reading. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Pero bago po yan, kung kayo nakaka-resonate sa reading ito, let me know sa comment section. And kung meron kayo mga personal questions, let me know by sending out a question through the form. Sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per questions. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. Now, let's check the zodiac sign of the person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart or pwedeng lumabas din ang zodiac sign ninyo. I am seeing Taurus, Leo, Sagittarius, Aries, Pisces. I'm seeing Virgo. I'm seeing Capricorn. I'm seeing Cancer, Scorpio. Yan. So this is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.